Hey builders, it's Noah here, and we have made some progress on Tipcast. So this is kind of the profile page. I did this yesterday. So each Farcaster account will have a page. It's kind of like a bio, but it's also where you can tip that person. So here's Dan's page, and so it just kind of has their bio, some information. This is what's not finished. This will basically be a card where you can tip them. It will have, maybe some options like $1, $3, $5, and a custom option. And then at the bottom where you could connect your wallet and actually tip that person. But I have a problem, and that's what I need your help with. So definitely put some comments down below. So the problem is that Farcaster gives you a wallet, right? And so for me to know who you are, who's tipping who, because it'd be really cool to see like a feed of, Noah tipped Dan $5 or whatever. And to do that, I'll need people to connect with their Farcaster wallet because Farcaster gives you a wallet. The problem is I don't think people will have funds on their Farcaster wallet. I don't really supposed to be used for that. It's supposed to just be used for your profile for Farcaster. And so ideally you'd be able to use just any wallet or your main wallet to connect and tip people from, because that's where you already have your money, stuff like that. It'd just make it less difficult probably. But I want to know, who that person is. It'd be great to be able to know who's tipping who through their Farcaster account. I don't want people to have to connect with both wallets. I mean, maybe there could be a setup flow where it's you kind of connect your Farcaster and then you connect your wallet on here to maybe show that there's a connection between those. It might just be a little too clunky though, which would make people not do the tipping. But one idea I have, maybe this could work, I'm not sure, is just kind of forget about the Farcaster wallet and have people just use their wallet. And I should be able to get the data for, because people connect their wallets to Farcaster accounts as well. I should be able to get that data to be able to connect, I might have to index that data somewhere of just hey, this Farcaster account has this wallet. And so if I see someone use that wallet, I can be oh, that's actually, less or something like that. So that's kind of, I think, maybe my initial plan. And I'm sure there would be some people that use just a different wallet that's not connected to Farcaster. And in that case, in the live feed of tips and stuff, it would just be that address instead of a Farcaster account. I think that might be the best solution going for, at least to start. It might be a tiny bit clunky, and hopefully in later iterations we can make this a lot better. But yeah, curious to hear your thoughts on this kind of problem. Want to make it as easy and as simple as possible. So thanks for replying and putting your comments below. Hopefully it's an interesting discussion, and I'll see you in another video.